Check.
Eh?
I-check. Vanilla. Tagalog lang.
Sige, pwede na yan.
Ayan na, go, 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 go. Bumuka ka kante. Ihiwalay mo yung legs mo lang. Ay, ganun.
Ayoko nang ganun.
Oh, tumayo ka, Mayas.
Mag-focus ka sa magkain kaysa mag-picture sa akin. Yo,
Turo mo naman, Mayas.
picture kita. Wala kang away.
Okay na nga, okay. Now we're at Fuji. This is the first spot out of 4. We'll see. And we're very lucky because it's not cloudy.
Kit-kit natin. Seryoso sila sa rolo ko. Ang Shanhat gumastos eh.
Basta kasi ice cream.
Oh, 练很到那个雅思。
Our next stop is lunch. That's right away. After the first stop. Lunch. Tapos, sabi mo puro complaints sa'yo. Hindi mo kaya naman yung ano to.
Naka-record lahat.
From the bus. Ito pala tapos kasi.
Excited ka eh.
Dito na lang. Picture. Ayan o. Ano lang. Video lang.
What's your food po?
It's karaage.
That
Soba. Cabbage. Salad. Rice. Edamame.
edamame.
What's yours?
I have cutlet, soba, salad, mango. I don't know if it's sweet.
Hindi, ano yan? Radish.
Ah, okay. Edamame. Unagi. Gadang. Narap akong open. Do not enter. Okay po. No worries po.
Picture tayo dun sa may trees. Dun sa may trees, yung daan natin kanina.
No.
Upo ka pero huwag kang mahulog.
Yan, nakatakip naman. Kaya punta doon banda sa left.
Pwede pala yun.
Go.
Gusto mo punta ka doon, picture kita doon?
No. Nice po.
Liligaw tayo. Saan tayo?
Hindi lang, alam ko pa to.
Saan yung bus na to?
Don Quixote.
Naligaw ba tayo?
Aba, bumalik na.
Hindi, pero...
Saan doon tayo? Kailangan natin bumalik sa kanya.
Go.
Feel ka maganda rin.
Ano oras doon? Kitaan?
20 minutes pa. Kasi ano, 45 lang. It's good. Grabe pa, ano na ba?
Nasa mabutan. Ano, picture tayo dito.
Yan lang, parang may mas maganda at ang view dito. Yeah, this is perfect. Lakad ka. Dito ka banda. Up.
May tao. May
Lakad tayo. Lakad ka nga ganun, straight. Wag sa gilid ah. Lapit kaunti. Lapit kaunti. Yan. Dito, lakad tayo. Service na.
Game?
Okay.
Ang dami ba? Dito po. Love you po. Yes po. I don't know. Mga ID.
Hi. Mary po? Mary mo po? Let's see. I'm sure it's recording. Wait lang, ako zoom in. Bakit?
Ikaw?
Yes. Look at there. Tignan mo na yun. Nagsabi sa'yo?
Perfect.
Kanina pa sila, baka nakita nila na. Yan mo. May hidden, ano yan? Something. May hidden yan.
Ano?
Na gusto ko ikaw makakita. Sa gilid, I think. That's the clue.
Heart. Is it?
Yeah.
Ah.
So cute, no?
Yeah.
Ate.
Hindi ko alam po. Sorry.
Sure?
Hindi ko alam.
Idea?
No, hindi ko alam na saan nilalagay. So, sana inaral ko.
Wala kang idea ang ba't kita dinala dito?
No.
That's so perfect, actually.
Yeah. Yay. Hmm? Yeah.
Wala kang E.
Kabanyo?
Dapa ka naman.
Love you, Bobby. I love you. Dito mo talaga gusto?
Oo, pero depende talaga. Like, if it's,
Fit the vibe.
yeah, kasi yung daming tao din eh, kaya na dadalawang isip ako. Ang view. Ganda niyan, no?
Yeah, so pretty.
Kamusta sa masikip ba, maluwag?
Sakto lang.
Perfect.
Galing mo naman.
Solitaire.
Ah, solitaire.
This is the box. Pero hindi yan yung box eh. Pinili ko pa ito. I proposed to her.
Huh? Oh! Thank you.
Thank you. Ganda. Hindi lang perfect yan sa'yo. Di ba sikip pa?
GGSS na rin siya.
Of course. Hindi pa rin ulit.
Yeah, I'm excited na. Paalam.
Nagpaalam. Yeah.
Kaya yung siya ako.
No.
Nakita mo?
Akala mo na niya. Sabi ko, wala ako ba yung anak ko? Hindi po ba? Sabi niya, di wow. Sabi niya. Di wow. Sabi niya.
Taba nga.
Sabi ko, tawag mo. Si Crystal. Yan dala ako pala. Siyempre, alam na rin ang family ko lang. So excited na. Sabi niya, kailan ba? Saan ba? Anong date yun? Sabi ko, hindi ko alam. Basta mag-discuss ko na. No. I tried to make it right. I think I did.
You did right. Price.
Parang that, tagal na po. Ay, tama.
Named Shimoyu Star Station. Our today's last
Alam mo yung
meeting
option.
point. These two spots are together. Our bus will only stop for one. Okay. So now we are going to the Shimoyu Star Station. When we arrive there, I will show you where is our meeting point.
Ang cute eh.
So, for example, the Shimoyu Star Station is at the middle, the
Hindi siya
Hikawa
oy na
Park this
nandun.
way, and it's about
Kasi yung iba may heart talaga.
away.
Talaga
So
pag
once we
diamond,
arrive
Mickey
there,
na
I will show you
Tayong kulay nga. Ganun
how
pala
to
yun.
go to
Ngayon na, naabay ako ni Boogie. Sabi ko,
Okay, so about the Alakrayama Single
Benta
Park,
pala.
inside this park have two platforms. At the
joke lang.
first platform have a first restroom and a single shrine. At the second platform have a second restroom.
Stars.
And if you want to use a restroom, you can use it inside the park. Inside the park have restrooms. And about the first platform, maybe
Dala ko
you
to,
went to
everything.
that.
Tsaka,
So the largest difference
Kaya nga ba
Dala ko siya
ayaw
matagal.
ayaw nakalagay ko.
between the shrine and
Oo,
the
alam na yun
is
kasi
in
panira
front
ng
of each shrine have a
Ako na magtatagal ng gamit.
huge gate named
Sabi ko, ba't ganun yung reaction?
named the Tori gate.
Galit na galit.
In Japanese, named the Tori gate.
Ayan, inis ako
And
doon
this
sa'yo.
Tori
Ba't
gate
kita
is made by wood and
Pero buti nga
the
yun.
color is white. The white
ito talaga.
wood
Ano
by a
magtatanggal ng gamit
made
ko?
by
Galit si Bobby.
different.
Hindi,
Tori
tatagal
gate
ko
is
yun.
from the home. And the second difference is about the religion. So it's between the single shrine and the Mount Fuji. So later, if you want to pray at the single shrine, I want to teach
Ano naman yung
you
dry skin
how
ko.
to
Ano gagawin? Ano daw oras meet up? Wala talaga ako naintindihan.
3 something. 3 mo? Okay. Thank you.
Saan daw po meet up?
and the meeting times in our group chat. So please do not forget to check the message. And our meeting point is here.
Hindi naglalaki. Nakatayo. Sumisigaw.
Bobby, ano mountain at aakyat? Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
Ano yan?
Platform, so the second platform, two ways. The stairs.
Perfect. Ready for party.
Yan. Ito yung tupat. Nakapagod daw yun.
Bow, clap, clap, bow. Bow, bow,
Clap, clap,
bow.
then,
Bow, bow, clap, clap, bow.
then pray. Okay, so bye-bye muna. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll pray and we'll be thankful. No, ulit.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold it. Put it in your bag.
Yes.
These. And next item are these. Omamori. Omamori?
Yeah.
Omamori. We got 2 omamori.
Okay, 30 minutes.
First this.
It's for Crystal.
That's for me. Next is this. That's for Bobby.
Mga food.
Okay.
Full. Hello. Parang malayo pa.
Pupuntahan mo sana yung last one.
Hindi, yung view na ganun. Pero ako magte-try pa.
Parang sumasakay na sila.
So, dahil ba na tayo mamaya?
Sagangdang pa.
Ito na ako magpapapro sa'yo. Wag ba? Kapag maharte, mahalaga sa akin yun. Ay, bye na. We are in Daiba City. I'm here to meet my friend. Who's my friend, Bobby?
Unicorn. The unicorn.
Gandam unicorn. Tenenenen. Tenenenen. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Ay, yung ano? Ang ganda.
Hindi ko alam kung anong entrance yan.
Ang tao eh.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Laki.
Oh shit. Yun. Perfect.
Pabalok naman yata sila.
Guys.
Diyan ako.
Ganito. Dahan-dahan na. Paglabas. Go! Nice, perfect.
Ano na yung next na to?
Nandun sa likod. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa
Daiba.
Daiba City. Daiba Water Bus. Daiba.
Eh, TikTok mo. Para hindi tayo maligaw. Kasi wala ka ng oras. Tapos mag-dinner tayo sa ano, Bobby. Okay lang po. Sushi.
Saan? Shibuya?
I'll hanap.
And the stamp rally has 6 locations around this Odaiba area. And the cool part is you can start the stamp rally at any of the 6 locations. There is no specific order. We did the entire thing on foot and it took us about 2 hours. The first one we got to was Odaiba Kahin Koen Station, right off the train and up the stairs. We then walked over to the water bus station for our second stamp. Up next was the third stamp at Daiba Station.
Okay.
Make your way over to Shiokaze Park and head to the observation deck for your 4th stamp. The final 2 stamps and lottery prize were in the same location at Diver City Tokyo Plaza. Number 5 was on the 2nd floor of the plaza. A little bit
Number 5.
Ano?
Let's go.
2 hours? 2 hours daw ba? Put eh.
Hindi naman, baka may ginawa lang sila. Posible.
Second floor na nga tatas.
Hindi, first floor ko lang to. 2F, ano?
Wow. 2 hours to. Wala ka rin.
Kanya yan guys, na ano siya. Uy, iyan mo lang.
Hmm?
Okay. Sige na sige.
Perfect.
Tara.
Water bus stop. Odaiba.
Daan na tayo dito. Tapos daan na tayo sa...
Tama yung isa. Yung isa, malapit sa station. Ata. Tingnan. Hopefully nandun. Oh.
Ano ba sabi?
Ayun. Go. Yellow.
Ah?
Yan lang yung yellow niya.
Nasaan?
Yan. Yung mga yellow sa paligid. Ayun.
Ilan lang ba?
Yan lang. Yung corner. Hi. I'm at the last station. Crystal is waiting for me. So, it's the last stop for the Gundam Stamp Rally. I'm gonna stamp it. The last one. Let's go. Oh, the red one. Whoa. Amazing. I need to go back to Crystal. Going. That is done. So I'm meeting Crystal. Can you fucking see me? I don't think so. Anyway, I'm meeting Crystal. I got it. It's done.
Congrats.
Dilim ata?
Huh?
Dilim? Okay.
Ano, maganda?
Yeah. I'll show you.
Pinicturean mo?
Yeah, binidyahan ka. Layo kaya.
Buti na lang talaga nagpaiwan.
Layo, tama ang decision mo.
It's okay. At least, you finish it. Hindi ka nga naka 2 hours eh.
Finally.
Now, we're going to eat.
Eat, and then eat. Puday. Puday ba?
Hi, we're here in ano ba tawag dito, boy?
Odaiba Kahai Hokkien.
And then we're here. 'Cause the stars all you want but tired ikaw din, no?
Yeah, but ginusto mo yan Ano sasabihin ko yun?
Gusto mo yan eh. Anong gawin mo itong English.
Yes, ata tong isa. Here.
Order mo muna. Order mo.
Finally here. Sa inaasam ng aking Netherlands.
Yeah, finally.
Really? That was the first thing you started looking at? Yeah. Like the last 6 weeks, so by Colorado. Now it's okay from the floodgates, like, oh, okay, you're.
Iba natin ito. Beragam daw sama. Oh my god, it's so good. God. That's amazing. No,
Kung pwede lang gumala pa ulit, gagala lang kami dito around the area.
ang masasabi ko lang ay ang sarap ng kinain ko.
That's Bobby.
Ay tama ang yung ano.
Yung kumikinang-kinang.
Angas mo naman pala.
May water pa tayo?
Just like this. Darang pingat. Tama ako, ya? Tatawa ka.
Okay, so for tomorrow, ano gusto mo? This again?
Ang talaga ba?
Ang sarap to eh. Mineral. Para sa niya mineral.
Magnesium.
Oh,
Calcium.
yan, yan, yan.
First night natin.
Ano ang pakinain natin?
Ramen. Ang ganda pala dito. Bobby, parang ano lang. Babae ng Hapon. Wow. Wow.